Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm creating a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Jenny. So Jenny, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. She requested a spread using the stickers that my sister created for my Patreon. So these are exclusive stickers over there that I send out and offer a digital download of. So definitely check that out if you are interested. And these are fall girls, as you can see. I really love like the girls and stuff on my spread, especially for like a seasonal spread. And I prefer if it's just like the back. So my sister drew these up and you don't see like faces or anything, which is what I prefer. I don't know, like that's just what I like. I'm sorry, I'm grabbing some washi because I know I definitely want washi on the spread. And I have this really pretty like orangey one that I think might work. So we're gonna go with this one. Why does it look more yellow now? Actually, not this one. Wait, hold on. How about this one? This one's better. Okay, it looked better like on the roll because it was, you know, layered with all the colors, so it looks a little darker. I think this one would be a bit better. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna add some washi and decorate these horizontal. Am I decorating the wrong side? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm decorating the wrong side. I meant to do this one because I think this is the first week of fall, I think. I don't know, I might be wrong. But it feels more like when you get into the 20s in September, that's more fall-like. At least that's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping it'll feel like fall soon. Actually, today it does kind of look like it outside. It looks a lot cooler. It's all gloomy. But it's not. It's not. Actually, it'll be cooler this weekend, but then it's gonna go back up to 90s again. Okay, so like I said, my sister created these. She created some trees because I love scenes. So I'm just gonna add a little scene down here of the trees. Perfect. I love this girl on the bench, like the hat, everything about her. Super cute. So we're gonna add her here. Just, you know, chilling next to the trees. Perfect little scene. And then I have a quote. I do like this one. This Hello Fall. We'll just stick that there. Perfect. It's cute. All right. And then let me put washi on the top too. Just to, you know, really make this like fall around this spread. Okay, then a little bit here. Okay, it looks perfect. It's exactly the vibe I wanted when I asked my sister to, you know, make these stickers for me because they're just so cute. All right, I have Neutral Basics from KellofaPlan. I felt like maybe I could find something in here. Like I like these. Oh yeah, these browns are good. Okay, so I think these, yeah, I feel like this is good. So Jenny uses this as a journaling spread. So I just add boxes for her throughout the spread. And yeah. Okay, I've made these like little, well, my sister made these, like little things of leaves. So I'm thinking maybe just add them to corners. And there's some that are like separate, so you can kind of build onto it. Fill in some areas, I guess. Okay, that's what I'm going for. I think I might just stick to this color box because it looks like a good neutral color, and then I could just let all the other stickers kind of have their moment. All right, so I definitely want to add another girl. Don't want to add one on top. I was going to add one here, but then I'm like, not on top of each other. So I'll have to add one over here. That's too tall. Okay. I could add her here. No. What's another? No, the other girl is like throwing leaves. Okay, so not her. You know, I'm gonna add a tree. Why not? Another tree. Okay, and then I can figure out the girl. I think this girl I made a little smaller, so maybe I can add her. She's just holding her drink, probably some kind of like pumpkin spice something. Ooh, the pumpkin spice chai latte. That is what I've been doing. We'll do this fall is in the air. Okay, that works. Let me get some smaller boxes. I have these smaller ones. A little bit larger. Actually, no. Maybe I'll do bullet points. Yeah, bullet points. Oh, cute. Okay, so that side came together pretty quickly, but yeah, I love how that turned out. All right, now I'm gonna do another like box situation over here, a little higher, so that way I could put a girl. I like the girl with the throwing the leaves up. Let's put her here. Maybe, yeah, kind of more off to this side. And then I'll put the pile of leaves next to her. And then a box. Oops. And then I'll do like the little leaf thing. Oops. Careful when you rip these off because I ripped mine. I probably will. Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay, so I got leaves there. Let's do a happy fall. Oh, you know what? No. I should have put a tree here. I feel like it doesn't feel right. I need a tree. Okay, I need a tree. Yeah. Ah, that's so cute. Okay. And then I could put happy fall. Well, I'll save this for somewhere else. All right, I have one more girl. I have this girl that's holding the pumpkin. So how am I going to add her? You know, I could put her down here. So I just feel like up here, well, actually, yeah. So let me put her here, and then I'll just put like a box there, like she's standing on the box. Yeah, that works. My sister does not like drawing the girls. It's something that I have to like really just encourage her basically to do, because I know she can do it and she's really good at doing it. As you can see, they're so cute. I think she had fun doing like making the outfits, because she dresses like this with the bows in her hair, with like skirts and cute outfits all the time. Like she definitely has her own style, and it's very her and super cute. But yeah, I definitely have to like I said, encourage her, like, because I know she can do it. It's just a matter of her like realizing it. But she does an amazing job every time. As you can see, like, look how adorable these are. I love it so much. perfection, in my opinion, at least. Yeah, I'm lucky I have her because I can literally tell her, oh yeah, can you draw me this? And then she draws it up. It's so good. She's so talented. I cannot draw anything. Like most of the, actually, yeah. Both my siblings can draw, like in some way. My brother's artistic too. And my mom is, my dad can. I just cannot. I am like only stick figure drawing. That's all I can do. That's about it. Oh, and then I put like, I should use this girl. I forgot to look at the outfits. Oh, that's okay. Actually, no, I think the vibe of this is a little bit better because there's like more orange tones. So I think that works better, kind of flows better. But I put like a different girl with a different outfit, like that one has green, and then I made sure to flip her because I always like that too, like having options like that when I make these stickers. Because once my sister makes the designs, then I put them together, and then I have to think of those things too, like how I would actually use them in as a sticker in my spread. Like this girl, I made a different outfit for her. There's options. This one I can't really do much with it, so I just flipped. So she's sitting on this side, or you want her sitting on that side. Like you can decide. But yeah, so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into another book just to maybe get some other stuff. So I'm gonna see in here if I have anything that I can grab. Also, make sure I'm still filming. Okay, I'm still filming. Sometimes it stops and it's, yeah. So this is a journaling spread, and I'm just going to add some nice little quotes. Like this one says, focus on the now. So I think that's nice. I feel like that could be appropriate for journaling. Hold the vision. Yeah, we'll do that. It says dream, so I like that. And I like the colors and the font and stuff. And let's see what else. Oh, start here. No, these are very like not journaling. This is more of a like productivity book, so there's only so much I can pull from here, but I try. Let's go time, crush it, grateful. Like grateful would be good, but I have no space for grateful, so can't do that one. Ooh, these are good. I'll do like these nice words. Happiness. Nice colors just kind of scattered around the spread. Do happiness over here. Oops. Okay. Gratitude is good. Let's do a hope because I like that it's I can't fit it though. There's nowhere to put it. Okay, we're gonna stop there because it's getting a little full. I definitely want to make sure she has space to write, but I love how this turned out. So Jenny, thank you for requesting a spread using my sister's stickers because I love how it turned out. So cute, ready for the fall. I hope you're ready too. But I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Jenny. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.